Now we come to item number 23, obituary references. Chief Minister to initiate, please.
Hello, sir. Sir, excuse me. I'm not supposed to interrupt, but sir, may I seek a clarification from your esteemed chair? Like, why myself being as an MLA from VPP, be in this position? Last time I was in this chair, now you are putting me in the back, so I don't know what's the reason. So may I get clarification from?
No, under what rules you are bringing a point of order? You can discuss it later on in the.
No, I did not raise any point of order, sir, but just to seek clarification. Because I remember for my party, they had suspended me on the 24/3/2025. What I'm raising my voice at a point of time that this is purely illegal, purely unconstitutional, because they are refer not in a proper address. They did not refer me in a proper address as a legislative, as a legislator. Adelbert 17 North Long Consumpsi MLA. But they had referred me at the point of time as Adelbert Naurum, Mr. Adelbert Naurum Shalom. Is it true?
The matter will be discussed later in my chamber. This is not the appropriate place or time to discuss this on the House. Thank you, please.